period. Well, great. Here's a video. A John Deere 303 vineyard tractor. Brendan, you have a fantastic, what is it you say, 303?
It is a John Deere 303.
And where did you, is it an Irish tractor? Or
It's not an Irish tractor, no. They were built in France by John Deere. 63, maybe 64 for a short time. They were aimed at the vineyard business. You can see that she's narrow,
Yeah.
all round. The unusual thing about her is that she was the only John Deere that was manufactured without a John Deere engine. The engine is actually a standard engine, which is the same as the 20 diesel.
The standard motor company.
Standard motor company, yeah. And they never really caught on. For some reason, the French were buying their own or didn't want it, or Germany or John Deere were in Mannheim in Germany in 1958, I think. And they started manufacturing there, but this didn't work out. They're a quite scarce, rare little tractor. And the fact that she has the standard engine makes her unusual.
Yeah. Any idea of numbers?
I don't, to be honest, and I'm not going to guess at it, but there wouldn't be many.
Fantastic. Do you know what is, and you have it with long, Brendan?
Oh God almighty, the way time flies. I suppose I have it 15 years maybe.
Yeah. She's a fine looking tractor. She, I presume she's original.
Oh, she's all original. What you see is what she is.
Yeah.
In every way.
Yeah. And like we said, the equivalent to that now, was there other John Deere's fitted with the standard engine?
No.
No, just
there was a
diesels.
505, I think, which was, it wouldn't have been the standard engine because that would have been a bigger tractor. There was a 303 and a 505.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. I know this is the only one that was fitted with the standard engine.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Okay. Thank you, Brendan.
You're welcome. You're welcome indeed.
It is a fantastic looking. It is a fine looking tractor.
Only 2,000 hours on it.
Is it all?
That's all.
2,000 hours?
I think so, yeah. Look. A little more, 2,895.
And how many have you put up in it?
I'd say
95?
I have put up to 95.
Thanks, Brendan.
Yeah, you're welcome. I like it.
period. Well, great. It's a video.